In this video, how to message on LinkedIn without premium. I will show you step by step how to message on LinkedIn without premium. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name of the person you want to message. Click on the person's profile from the search results. Now check if there is a button called Connect. Click Connect to send a connection request. You can add a personalized message to the invite. Write a short message explaining why you want to connect. After that, click Send to send the request. Now wait for the person to accept your connection. Once the person accepts, the message button will appear. Click Message to open the chat. Type your message in the text field. Click the Send button to finish. Another option is messaging through LinkedIn groups. Join a group where the person is also a member. Inside the group, you may be able to send messages directly. This is how you can message on LinkedIn without premium.